Guys, welcome to my pepper mukbang. And I'll be eating Korean pepper and with this sauce. And also with steak and rice. It doesn't match, but mukbang. And by the way, the hot pepper is this long. So watch my blog. Guys, I finished 4 and I have 2 more to go. So I'm eating this with the steak. And guys, with the steak. So guys, I'm eating this pepper. This is my 3rd one. Look,
That is the 4th one.
my son said it's 4th one. Come on guys, let's go eat more.
That is 100 of them.
You want me to eat 100 of those?
You can have this price.
Guys, make sure you dip it on this one. Oh, it's good. I wanted to eat hot pepper too, but I said no. He's gonna try to eat. Look,
I already eat one. Look, you see this? You see, I eat one of those.
Try.
But it's just a little. I eat it a little.
Okay, try.
no, it's not. You gotta eat it with rice. And of course, 4th one.
Kami wala. Just give it a full version, okay? Oh, someone.
I know.
Guys, it's not a sponsor of this, but you can buy this in any grocery store here in Korea.
Anong ginawa yung ano lang?
I use A1 steak sauce for steak. Here's the steak. Guys, small one. So you see my blog, you watch my blog, holla, auntie. And then it's all gone. It's not that hot. Can handle it. And thank you for watching my blog. And please subscribe and share. See you. Love you.